Hey guys, welcome back to the Velocity Vision channel here. Today we got the 22-inch cat boat and it is on 3S. So we've upped the amount of power in this boat. Let's jump into the video here and discuss it. For the new power system, we upped the cell count to 3S, we've dropped the KV, and we've kept that same 35mm prop. Now getting on step there was a little sluggish, and that's because it was only half throttle. Should have I pinned it, it would have been a lot quicker. Near the end of the video, I'll show you the progress that we've made in terms of speed for all the different setups that we've done thus far. Here's all the speeds that we've achieved so far. We got 41 kilometers per hour on the 3400 kV motor using our 35mm prop. This is on 7.4 volt. Then we also got the same amount of speed pretty well. We got 42 kilometers an hour using that same exact setup. Then we stepped the prop up with the same power system and we got 44 kilometers per hour. Then we ended up dropping in our 3S power system, and this is where we're now at 49 kilometers an hour. Now keep in mind, we did drop the KV significantly by going to that 2550 kV motor. This is probably one of the best power systems that you can fit in this boat. Now we're gonna not stop here. We're gonna continue to push this hull and see exactly how fast we can get it until it becomes a little unstable for the current setup, and then we'll deal with that as well. Well guys, that pretty well wraps it up for this video. Like that button if you enjoy 3D printed boats. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can tag along and see exactly how fast we get this boat up to. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.